It's our first experience with a Japanese toilet. We've been waiting for years for this. It's gonna be special.
Oh! Whoa, that tickles.
How is it?
There's water where there shouldn't be water. Okay.
Hello from Japan. We are here for the next 10 days on a G Adventures tour. We're starting in Osaka and we're gonna make our way to Tokyo.
Yeah. If you guys haven't heard of G Adventures, they organize tours all over the world, on every single continent, including Antarctica. And if you guys are interested in travel, you like group travel, and you want everything just like organized for you, and you just fly to your destination, go on a tour, G Adventures is incredible.
Plan is right now we are going to take the subway, and then we're going to be taking a bullet train, and then we're going to be taking a funicular to our next destination. A lot of cool public transportation. Wanted to come on this train since I found out it exists like years ago. Here we are. I'm ready.
299 kilometers an hour. That's wild. That's pretty much how fast planes take off at. So if this thing had wings, we'd be in the air right now. We are taking a funicular up the mountain.
Monastery where we're going to be spending the night, and this is one of the traditional rooms. The beautiful mural back here, and this is our bed situation. 2 futons. I have to test it out. Woo! Lovely. Oh, that's really nice. I already feel relaxed here. We just got here. So our plan here is we're just kind of chilling out right now, and then there's meditation that's going to happen at 4:30, which I'm looking forward to, especially in a place like this. And there's a couple other ceremonies happening. There's a fire ceremony happening tomorrow. There's like a communal dinner and breakfast, and just to relax here and walk around the property. It's beautiful. This is the communal showering area, so there's several different hoses. You just get all naked and go on in, and I like it. And this first you have to like wash yourself here. I like it. Should be good times. Take me back to Europe. This is breakfast here. I'm not sure what everything is. It looks like it could be some sort of omelet. That looks like banana, and I'm not sure what, some clear liquid. That is watermelon, perhaps? That looks like a deep fried tofu. That's tea. That's rice. I know that. And miso soup. And I think this is a plum from the area. Breakfast in Japan. That's tofu.
Yeah.
Tofu?
Really good.
With like a, almost like a tamari sauce. This banana. By that reaction, I'm not trying to be rude. That was just like a shock because I thought it was going to be banana, and it does not taste anything like banana. It's a eggplant, but I just don't know what the sauce is. It's like not something I've never tasted before. It's salty, and like something else I don't even know how to explain.
We're in the Kongo-Buji temple, and it's very, very peaceful, very zen. I love all these paper thin walls. They're all like sliding doors, so you can access all the doors through each wall. They all open up. It reminds me of like a kung fu movie fight scene where people are like busting through walls. But I mean, this is a temple. That's not gonna happen.
What everyone's doing, looking down on the ground, is looking for a pine needle that has 3 needles. So this one has 2, and they're looking for one that has a 3rd, and if you find it, it's good luck.
So I found it, but they're broken. But there's definitely 3 there.
It's still good luck.
There's 3. They're just not very long.
Whoa. Keep it, it's good luck.
That's it.
Of course you would find it. Of course you would find it. No one else seems to have found one.
Good luck. Good luck is headed my way. And you are headed my way. You're my good luck.
My name's Luck.
I'm gonna get my fortune told. This box here has my fortune in it. There's green, which is life fortune, and red, which is love fortune. I already know my love is perfection. My life is too, but I'm gonna do my life fortune. I'm gonna give it a good shake. My life fortune is stuck. Oh, okay. Apparently it doesn't come in, so I got 8. Let's see what it is. My fortune is in my hands. It could be good, it could be bad. Let's find out. I'm kind of nervous. I have no idea what that means. It's all in Japanese. I'm gonna need assistance. Can I get assistance?
Your good direction is west, southwest.
That's my good direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your lucky direction.
Southwest, okay.
Okay. Then it's okay to move if you want to move to other place.
Hi!
And if you make an effort, the wish comes through.
Okay.
And although if you think there's a risk, then you can risk it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can challenge. Okay. So yeah, not bad.
Okay, apparently my fortune's like in between good and bad, but I think that sounded pretty accurate. And if it was bad, I would fold it up and actually tie it on a fence I'm going to show you. So it's leaving my bad luck behind. So no matter what, you win. This is all the bad luck that's been left behind. So you don't have to bring it with you. You're in charge of your life. In charge of your love life, in charge of your life. So I like it. You don't need to bring it with you. Remember that.
I'm about to do something I have always wanted to do. Kind of like a childhood dream to take a samurai class. So I'm here in Japan, I saw a class, and I have to do it.
Enemy means stomach to enemy stomach. Yes. Then just a little bit. Please watch enemy.
Alright, day 2 in Kyoto, and we finally spotted a real geisha. Very fast. She was like in one door from a building to the other. We got her! Alright, I'm about to get dressed up in a kimono. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes apparently for women. And I've gotten a large kimono so the baby fits. I'll see you in 15 to 20. Here I am already. Very pregnant.
You look fantastic. You look great.
You look awesome.
Thank you.
We're gonna be learning how to cook Japanese.
Japanese cooking class. Thank you so much. In this lesson, you make your own onigiri. Two onigiris.
I don't know if she's telling you the truth.
It's okay, it'll do.
We're doing Japanese calligraphy. So this here means dream. Always about dreaming. Dream big. Make things happen.
We're now walking around a cemetery. It's pretty beautiful. This forest looks ancient. The trees are massive. The trees are hundreds of years old. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if some of these trees are upwards of like 1,000 years old. They're just so thick, so lush. I've never seen a cemetery like this, just in the middle of a forest. And the forest is almost untouched. There's moss everywhere. There's moss growing on like the tombstones. Some of these graves are over 1,000 years old, and then some of the names that you can see are ancient samurai warriors. We have made it to Miyajima Island. It was a quick ferry ride, maybe 10-15 minutes.
Very nice ferry ride.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of stuff to do here on the island. We've already seen deer walking around when we pulled up, so I know this one's probably going to try and hug a deer.
have a green tea and vanilla ice cream. It was so delicious.
What I like about these organized tours is there's always an activity planned. So there's always things that you can do, but you can also opt out of doing some things and just go explore on your own. The rest of the group right now is taking a gondola ride up and doing a little hike. We're gonna explore more of the market. We're gonna go shopping, gonna get this pregnant lady some food, and just explore on our own. I have a Miyajima beer. It was started on the island, and this is their Caramel Blonde.
Take two on okonomiyaki, except this is in Hiroshima and they make it pretty much the same, but they add noodles.
I've already seen the teacher. He's a little intense, as a samurai would be. But yeah, he's gonna be my splinter.